Okay, now we're going to have the generator and the light bulb in series with a capacitor. As we always should do with a capacitor, we're going to connect the capacitor to itself by just taking a single wire and connecting it like this. Waiting a few minutes. I'm going to take the other end of this wire and connect it to the generator. Okay, so we should wait a little while. I can connect this here, I guess. All right, and this goes to here. And I will crank it. Let's see, what direction are we asked to crank it? Okay, we'll crank it counterclockwise. Think about the direction of current that we're creating. The light bulb turns on. All right, it's getting dimmer and dimmer with the light bulb. Also getting very easy to crank. Now it is extremely easy to crank. Okay. Very easy to crank now and let go, and it goes in the same direction. It's going for a while. So now the capacitor is discharging, losing its energy. The crank is slowing down. Very large time constant on that capacitor. The crank was in the same direction. All right. Which might make sense if we think about how charges were pushed onto the capacitor. Okay. We have one more short lab observation to make. All right, and then that'll be it for these videos. So I'll just add that to this one. All right, I'm having a little bit of trouble figuring out how to tape the next part. It's pretty cool if we can see it. So let me try and figure it out, but I'm going to upload the video as is. So we'll have to download a second video to watch that little piece. So I don't want to lose this one.